Hey guys, Casey Jilly. I'm trying to get out of the wind. So I've built a ripper attachment for a 3-point hitch on a John Deere tractor, and I'm fixing to test it out. I'm hoping it'll work. That way I can run my new water line over to my greenhouse area that I've been planning on and showed you guys. So I'm going to try to video it. I don't know if I can do it or not, and the wind's blowing like crazy, but show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I had this old ripper come off a D6, so I just built a little box for it here, and you can see I'm not a welder, so go ahead and judge, I don't care. But if it saves me a whole lot of digging, I'll take it all day long. Alright, that pin came with the ripper. Alright, see how my hitch goes on with that baby. Those were actually little pull pins, and I cut them dudes off and welded them on some little plates, got them straightened out, and set it up. So this is kind of what we're looking at, and I'm going to try to start right there and go right straight to that greenhouse. Light. Okay, it doesn't weigh enough, so this is to be continued. I gotta find something heavy and put on this thing. So I was fortunate, and I found this piece here. Let me see if I can. This was already built. All I've got to do is weld it on in a spot or two, and I'll put something in here, maybe a little expanded metal, some kind of piece of something there. And then I can just stack whatever I want to. I'm gonna find some heavy stuff and stack it on there and see if I can't dig my ditch. I'll be back. So I found this old piece of railroad tie. You can see it's got some heavy metal in it. I don't know if it's heavy enough, but I'm gonna try to break this joint apart, take those two pieces and stick it on there. See if that won't give me enough weight to sink that thing down a little bit. Okay, don't laugh at me. I'm an old man. I'm gonna try to get that big old thing up there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull it out here to the end, further back from the machine, to put the weight out there. I'm thinking maybe that part will help. Instead of hunting other stuff down, I'm gonna see what this will do, but I need to tack it so it'll be still on there. And so I'm gonna get this stuff tacked on there, and I'll be right back. You see, I'm putting the weight further out, and I've got room to put some more stuff if I need to, but I'm gonna take this over there and see if I can get anywhere with this and see if it's enough weight to help sink that dang thing. If I could get it, I need to get at least halfway up that thing. I don't need super deep, but I need to get halfway up that thing. So let's see if that's enough weight. Let's try this again. I can tell it's already heavier. I'm hoping it's gonna be enough. Let's find out. Definitely an improvement. We'll give it one more run just to loosen it up. So, it's really hard out here where the road kind of runs across here, but that little bit of weight helped quite a bit. Now I'm gonna put some more weight on it. I gotta find something, but I'm also, because it is a big fat ripper like it is, it's meant for a bulldozer, so you can tear up rock, and they have a lot more power than these little tractors. What I think I'm gonna do is I think that I'm gonna make it more like a plow. I think I'm gonna put a little piece of plate that's a little pointer on the front side of it and have it where it funnels off all the dirt to the side. That's what I'm gonna try to do. So, okay guys, I ran out of rods. I'm gonna have to get some more, but I got, so far, something like this kind of formed here. To be honest with you, I'm not a farmer and I don't know how to do this, so I'm hoping that'll roll it out a little bit, maybe, and make a pile. I don't have anything on this side, and it's an intentional. What I plan on doing to help keep stuff going the other direction, as you see here in my hand, I'm gonna cut some notches out of this so that this can sit right here. And I'm just gonna set it straight like that, and I'm gonna sharpen it. But I'm gonna sharpen it in this direction so that everything kind of goes that way. That's what my guess is. Do I know what I'm doing? No. I've never seen a plow in my whole life. That's the truth. So we're just gonna start here, and if I need to do some more to it, that may be first thing comes off, you know, I don't know. So I'm gonna go give it a shot. It's getting towards the end of my day where I can tinker with it, and I'll have to get some more rods, but let's see what it does. All right guys, if I'm on the right track, it should pile out to that side. Let's see what happens. Well, guys, I mean, it's doing what it's designed to do there. It's just I need more to flare on out, and maybe it'd be nice to have about a half of a pipe or something and bring it out here about a foot off that ditch. Come on out that far. This thing's plenty heavy duty enough to take it. I mean, I haven't had any issues, but you know, I don't want to do any hand work. That's what I'm trying not to do. I'm lazy and I prefer the easy way, but you know, that dude's sinking down there probably 1.5 feet deep. It's a good 18 inches. You just can't tell because it's not cleaning itself out very well, but I'm gonna get it mastered. I just gotta find something, piece of pipe maybe, or something that I can use to make that little half moon shape and draw it out, since I don't have an auger. But you know, I'm almost there right now. Of course, I need to clean all this up around here first, but you can see the irrigation is coming. And I figured out what I'm gonna do here too. I'm gonna put a pipe about 3 foot in the ground right here, and then I'm gonna run about a 3 foot piece of purlin across over here, just enough to kind of comfortably stick into the greenhouse and catch it. And I'll level them. I'll put one on each of the corners here, of the main corners to begin with, just to get the thing up and setting right on the ends where it counts. I'll level that stuff out, and then I'll come back and do the same kind of thing in the middle. But that's the plan. And my homemade ripper setup's gonna work, I think. I just need to get something to help me keep it clean. I think if I do like I said, and put that piece of pipe and sharpen it in front, or that piece of plate, I believe it will catch everything and help send it all this way to the right, because I've got it where it bails off on the right. Now I need something to push it on out a little further, but I think that'll work. So I still got my work cut out for me, but it's coming along pretty good, and this thing's going to be a helpful little invention, because I'm by myself these days, and I don't, anytime I can make it easier on myself, I want to, especially when it comes to digging. But give y'all one last look at that baby. All right, so there's Jerry's little pathetic setup, but hey, it's working, you know what I mean? And these are, like I say, it's just counterweights. If I had a little bit more, it'd sink all the way down, I think. But you know, little cheesy welts just to hold the stuff there, but doesn't look too awesome, but dadburn, it works well. I don't have any complaints. A little bit of fine tuning. So y'all come back and see me, and maybe I'll have it mastered by the next time you see it. Y'all have a good one.